everyone, we are back with another video. In previous video, we learned about what are list or what is list in Python. Okay, now in today's video we are going to use some function or functions and operations of list that are predefined. Okay, now if I here is a list, numbering list, and I have some integers in the list, and then I printed the list. You can see the output. Now, if we want to insert, if we want to append something, like we want to add something in our list, then what we will do? We will type here list dot append, and then we will, for suppose we 125. Now, if we run the program, then you can see, okay, sorry, we also need to print list. Now you can see we have for before appending and after appending an element or an integer in a list. Okay, now if I want to remove something from the list, then I just need to enter list dot remove. Okay, now for suppose I want to remove 55. I will write here 55, then print list, and I need to run the program. Look, I don't have 55 in this. Okay, we have another question, like if I don't want to append in the last or at the end of the list, but I want to insert some value in between the list or any desired position. Okay, for that purpose, we have another function. I will write here list dot insert. Okay, first, I need to give a position or I need to give an index where I want to. For suppose we have we start our indexing from 0, and I want 55 back in the list. So where was 55 in previous list? 0, 1, 2, and third position. Okay. Now I will write here 3, comma 55, then print list. Okay, let's run the program. Look, we have back 55 in our list. Now, we also have another function, like if we want to pop something from the list, then we will write list dot pop. Let's run the program. Okay, print list. Okay, we have popped the last element from the list. Okay, we also need to see which item is popped out from our list. Let's do a thing. For suppose we write here A equals to list dot pop, okay, and print A. Now I will run the program. Look, it will pop last element from the list because we have new list here, this. Okay, also if we use this function here, like for suppose I will give it b is equals to list dot pop, and I will write here print b. Now we can only see our last item, our popped item. Okay, now also we can write here, we will remove that. I I want to know what is the minimum or maximum value in our list. I will write here A is equals to minimum list and print A. Okay, now I will run the program. Look, here we have 2 is the minimum value. Also, we can use this function for maximum value and we will write max. It must be 775, right? Okay, we have different functions. Also, if we want to remove multiple items from the list, we will use delete function. Delete. Okay, list. I will give here indexing from, for suppose I want to remove from indexing 2 till 5. Now I will print my list. Let's see what result will print. Now look, 2, 44, 55. Sorry, it had removed position 2 and 5 list. 5 item of the list. If I will write just this, then it will remove all the items after index 2. Or if I write this, it will remove all the items before indexing 4. Like we have from this 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, it will remove all previous items before indexing 4. Now I want to insert multiple items in my list. What I need to do, I will write here extend dot list. What is this? Oh, sorry. Sorry, we have written here. So. Okay. And now I need to print for verification that we have done the right thing. Let's run the program. Look, all the items 5, 8, 65 and 99 are in the list. Okay. Now we have seen different functions of the list.